Welcome back, everybody. This Week in America. Thank you for joining us on the show today. Our website, of course, thisweekinamerica.us. Jerry Springberg had a successful career as an insurance and financial planner, earning him a multi-million-dollar living, elite status in the million-dollar roundtable. He developed a proprietary method of selling. He's the author of the book Getting to the Top and Optimus Keys to Success in Business, Family, and Life. And he's battled dementia and Alzheimer's disease, and that's what we're talking about on today's program. Jerry Springberg, our guest. Jerry, welcome to the program. Pleasure to have you with us today.
Thank you very much, Rick.
The book, by the way, is called Getting to the Top and Optimus Keys to Success in Business, Family, and Life. It's available at Jerry's website, ManySuccessesInLife.com. I'll give you that information throughout the program today. And, of course, you can go to our website, thisweekinamerica.us, and link on directly to Jerry's website. Let's talk about, you're like 70 years old, and you realize that you seem to be coming down with early signs of dementia and Alzheimer's. Go back to that time and what you went through in the family support, and that's how you ended up moving to Las Vegas. Talk about what you went through with that period, because when you realize that, it's devastating.
Well, as a matter of fact, when I was taking care of clients, I noticed I wasn't doing a good job. And I said to my son, I better look for something that would help me with this, because I'm not really helping them the way I always did for 30 years. So my wife and my son suggested that I move to Las Vegas, and I called my sister in Florida if she knew anyone that had an answer to Alzheimer's. You know, the thing about it is there is no drug that is available. There is no drug that is available to cure Alzheimer's. And what I did was, she sent me a video of this doctor in Florida that had a husband who had severe Alzheimer's. And she thought about it, and after a while, she thought that maybe it's in the brain, the problem with Alzheimer's. And she went and she started to look at this coconut oil. This coconut oil has ketones in it, and it supplies what the brain needs for memory.
And here's a medical doctor who actually is concerned about her husband and tries this, and you were shocked at the results.
I was shocked because I had this video showed the doctor was putting this coconut oil, a tablespoonful of coconut oil in his cereal or on his eggs every morning, and in 3 weeks, you know, this circle Alzheimer's clock that
Yes.
they have people putting down a piece of paper?
Yes.
Well, the first Alzheimer's clock he did, it was kind of skimpy, and only one number was there after about 3 weeks. 6 weeks later, it was much better. It was a pretty round circle, and it was maybe 6, 7 numbers on there. And after 2 months, he did a perfect circle, a perfect clock with all the numbers, and she was elated. His wife was elated. Now, after 6 months, he would come down to the kitchen and say good morning to her, and he would start to help her with breakfast. He would give her a hug. She couldn't get over it. And by the way, this coconut oil that I use is Luana, 100% pure Luana coconut oil, and coconut oil is solid below 76 degrees, and becomes liquid above 76 degrees. So you have to keep that in mind. Now, sometimes, especially during the summer, I put the coconut oil in the refrigerator to keep it solid, you know?
Yes.
And that helps it a lot.
Now, Jerry Springberg is our guest on the program. We're talking about a few years ago when he felt he was slowing down. He was concerned about Alzheimer's and dementia. We were picking up the story at that point. Jerry's book is called Getting to the Top, an Optimist's Keys to Success in Business, Family, and Life. That talks about his success, the journey that he went on as a very successful businessman. His website is manysuccessesinlife.com. Contact information for Jerry there as well. And you go to our website, thisweekinamerica.us, and link on directly to Jerry's website. When you saw this video and you saw the results, and I'm going to say something as simple as coconut oil, which the doctor decided to try on her husband, at what point did you decide, and what were your results early on, that I'm going to try this as well? I'm not out much of anything, and maybe it works.
Well, the interesting thing was that I found that now I know where my car is parked. I know why I walk into the kitchen. I know what I'm looking for there.
So you did see results.
I can tell I can remember 15, 20 minutes later the 3 people I've met already, which was terrific.
Well,
which, you know, I can remember looking for my car. It took me 10, 15 minutes to find it. It was terrible.
So at that point, you're a believer. You are really feeling like this is making a difference. This is working for me.
It is working for me, and let me tell you, it is not only working for me, but it makes me feel much better about life, about myself, and there is no question that now if I'm in a Walmart shopping center where they have 1,000 cars because it's in a big center, a big shopping center with a lot of different businesses there,
right,
I can walk right to my car. It's amazing.
So you saw results and the signs that you were worried about, and had you moved to Las Vegas and think about, okay, it's probably time not to do this anymore, those symptoms were reversed, and today you are still incredibly active physically as well as mentally. You've got some rental property. You're sort of back in the game again, aren't you?
Yes, rental property was a good place to invest my money because a lot of people who lost their homes don't want to buy another home because they lost a lot of money, and they would rather rent that way. And so any rentals that I have are full all the time. And when someone has to leave town in order to see their grandchildren for some reason, or they have to move, it isn't too long since then that another couple move into the apartment, and that's working terrific.
And you're keeping track of all of that. Jerry Springberg is our guest on the program. Information available at our website, thisweekinamerica.us. Jerry's website is manysuccessesinlife.com. As you're telling friends and family the story, I know that they are calling you when they feel they have someone that may need the advice. What kind of success are you having with coconut oil as you're spreading the word to people that you know?
One of the people who I know came to see me, and she said, "Jerry, my mother has Alzheimer's. Can you help me?" I told her about coconut oil, and I have to call her, but I'm waiting like 2 months before I call her again to see how her mother is doing. There is no way that no drug available that will cure coconut oil, as a matter of fact.
That's interesting.
It's a problem. And by the way, you don't wait till you have it. You should start using it 10, 20 years before you retire. you should start using it, because the symptoms of Alzheimer's doesn't show up right away. It takes 10, 20 years for it to develop in your brain. That's where it hurts you. And by starting when you're 55, 60 years old at the latest, by putting coconut oil in your cereal and putting it in with your eggs in the morning, you will head off the problem before it shows.
What kind of response do you get? Now, you were turned on to coconut oil through a doctor, and again, the story, because of her husband, she tried coconut oil. What kind of response do you get from the medical community? When you go and you talk to your doctor and you explain this coconut oil really is working, and I know you've done extensive research on this, what kind of response do you get from the medical community?
I know that I have my doctor on my emails. She always looks at my emails, and she is spreading the word about coconut oil. And she tells me, "Thank you, Jerry."
So it's something that she can pass along to her other patients as well. Let's talk about coconut oil. Where do you get it, and then how often do you take it? You mentioned you use that a couple of times a day. Let's talk about availability. Is it difficult to find?
No, you can find it in Walmart. You can find it in Smith's supermarket. It's called. I buy the 100% pure Luana coconut oil, and it comes in a blue label. It has a blue label, and it's non-hydrogenated, which is very important. And it actually helps other things like multiple sclerosis. It helps a lot of brain problems, Parkinson's. It helps the brain to succeed in what it needs to do to fend off problems.
When you found the coconut oil, how often do you take it, and how much do you take at a time?
I take a tablespoonful each morning with my breakfast, 7 mornings a week. And I take that as a precaution because I don't need it anymore, but I take it as a precaution because I don't want to go back to what happened to me 10 years ago.
Well, yeah. So, and that's sort of the motivation, and you feel very firmly that coconut oil really is basically giving you your mind back. We mentioned before how active you are.
Yeah, that's right, and it helps me very much because now when I'm parked in a big parking lot, I don't have to look for it anymore. I know where it is. It's amazing to me how good it's been for me. By the way, I do want to mention one other thing. If any of your listeners has high blood pressure, I've been told that coconut oil can raise your blood pressure at certain times. So if you have high blood pressure, you should check with your doctor. The other kind of oil that's available that could help is pure olive oil. Pure olive oil helps the brain also. And I actually read a story about a lady, and this is hard to believe. She lived to 122 years old by putting pure olive oil on all the food that she ate, and she lived to 122
Wow.
years old. Isn't that amazing?
It's an amazing story. Our guest on This Week in America is Jerry Springberg. Jerry's website is manysuccessesinlife.com. The book we'll talk about, and we'll have Jerry back on the program to talk business, and his success in business is called Getting to the Top, an Optimist's Keys to Success in Business, Family, and Life. And again, the website, manysuccessesinlife.com. And you go to our website, thisweekinamerica.us, and link on directly to the website. Have a couple of minutes left in the program. Let's talk about going back and looking at your life, and you talk about that in the book, Getting to the Top, the challenges you faced in life. You fought off prostate cancer. You were in the Korean War. You helped your wife with her battle with Parkinson's disease. So this was when you're 70 and you realize you're slowing down mentally, this was just another challenge that you faced, right?
That's for sure. The thing about having that happen is bad for you, bad for your business. I found that by taking the coconut oil every morning from the time I was 70, it helped me in many instances. And using this extra virgin olive oil, I take that also, because I would love to live to 122.
Yeah, that's got a nice ring to it, especially with the quality of life that you have. I mean, I can tell in the voice that I know you just came back from 8 days in Mexico. You're very active. You love to dance. You're still out dancing as frequently as you can. It really is giving you an extended life. A lot of people feeling, I'm in the early stages of dementia. I'm 70 years old. There's not much I can do about it. And you're saying, don't give up. Don't look at it as a death sentence. There are things that you can do.
That's right. I tell people, don't wait till you have it. Start now. When you're in your 50s, that would be the last time you should start using it, because it will head off the problem. And it is a big help with other types of diseases, like MS. And a doctor I spoke to about it told me that, and it's just terrific.
Jerry Springberg, our guest on This Week in America. Once again, his website, Jerry's website is manysuccessesinlife.com. You can contact Jerry that way. You can buy a copy of his book, and he's got some discounts available at his website. The book is called Getting to the Top, An Optimist's Keys to Success in Business, Family, and Life. We will have Jerry back to talk about the business aspect, the successful business aspect of his careers, the ups and the downs, and anybody successful in business, it's not just a chart that's going all the way to the top. There are peaks and valleys as you go through that, and we'll talk about that with Jerry. On the program, talking about how he has been able to hold off signs of dementia and Alzheimer's with a product as simple as coconut oil. Jerry, thank you for joining us on the program. Appreciate you sharing the story and look forward to having you back with us.
It's good talking to you, Rick. I hope people who are hurting out there will help themselves in your audience, will help themselves with the coconut oil.
It's very simple. Do a little research on coconut oil. And once again, our guest, Jerry Springberg, his website, manysuccessesinlife.com. You're listening to This Week in America. Our website, thisweekinamerica.us.